So you're welcome, so that you can work out this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So let's now start with the solution. So we are asked to find the value for x. So you can work it out on your own. Then now from there you shall compare the answers that you shall have got. So do you know that most people fail this maths problem? So let's now find out. So 4 to the power of x minus 1 is equals to 96. So assuming that we have a to the power of m minus n, then this one now can be written as a to the power of m, then all over a to the power of n. So in this case now, when you have 4 to the power of x minus 1, which is equals to 96, so now we shall now have 4 to the power of x, then all over 4 to the power of 1, that is now is equals to 96. So when you work it out, now we shall now have it as 4 to the power of x, then all over, so here now we shall have it as 4 to the power of 1, that is 4, is equals to 96. So here now, the next part now that you need to do is to remain with 4 to the power of x. So that means that you shall multiply both sides by 4, then also this side by 4. So that now 4 by 4 now shall cancel. So we shall remain with 4 to the power of x, that is equals to 96 multiplied by 4. Then for us now to work it out very fast, let's now introduce the log on both sides. So here now we shall now have the log of 4 to the power of x is equals to the log of, so 96 multiplied by 4, then into bracket. So when you have, for example, the log of k multiplied by p, so this one now can be written as the log of k, then plus the log of p. So in this case now we shall now have it as the log of 4 to the power of x shall now be equals to the log of 96, then plus the log of 4. So assuming that we have the log of, again, k, then to the power of p, so these are now can be written as p, the log of k. So instead of having it as log of 4 to the power of x, we shall have it as x log 4. So x, the log of 4, is equals to the log of 96, then plus the log of 4. So in this case now, for us now to remain with x, shall now divide both sides by the log of 4. So that is to mean that here now shall divide by the log of 4, then also the whole of this shall also divide by the log of 4. So log 4 and log 4 now shall cancels out. So now we shall now say that x in this case shall be equals to the log of 96, then plus the log of 4, then all over the log of 4. So we shall have the log of 4. So the next part now shall say that now x is equals to, so the log of 96 can be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 24, then into bracket, then plus, so here now we shall have the log of 4, then all over the log of 4. So let's now divide both sides by the log of 4. So now x now is equals to, so here now we shall have the log of 4, then also the multiplication changes to addition, plus the log of 24 can be written as the log of 6 multiplied by 4, then this one's all over the log of 4, then plus, so here now shall have log 4 all over the log of 4. Then the next now shall say that the value for x is equals to, so here now shall have log 4, then all over the log of 4, then plus, so log 6, then all over the log of 4, then plus log 4 all over the log of 4, then plus the log of 4, then all over the log of 4. So the next step now shall say that the value for x now shall now is equals to, so log 4 and log 4 shall cancel, so now shall have it as 1 plus, so here now shall have log 4, then all over the log of 4, then plus, so log 4 and log 4 shall cancel, so now shall now have 1, then, so here now shall have log 6 all over log 4, so here is supposed to be log 6, then plus, so log 4 and log 4 shall cancel, so here now we shall have 1, then plus log 4, and log 4 cancels, we shall again have 1. So now x now shall be is equals to, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, then plus the log of 6, then all over the log of 4. So assuming that, for example, we have the log of a, then all over the log of b, so according to the law of logarithm, we can write it as the log of a to the base of b. So that means that now our final and the most correct answer for the value for x is equals to 3 plus the log of 6 to the base of 4. So these are now qualifies to be our most correct and the best problem. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So let's now confirm it very fast if this answer is correct. So this one is what we had. So we had 4. So we had 4 to the power of x minus 1 is equals to 96. So here now we shall now have it as, so instead of writing x, we shall write the answer that we got. So we had now 4 to the power of, so let's now have it as 4 to the power of log 6 base 4. So 4 to the power of the log of 6 to the base of 4, then plus 3 minus 1. So plus 3, then minus 1 is equals to 96. So in simple terms, now we shall have it as now 4 to the power of the log of 6 to the base of 4, then plus, so plus now we shall have it as 3 minus 1 is 2, then is equals to 96. So here now we shall write it as 4 to the power of the log of 6 to the base of 4, then the plus means multiplication, so we shall again multiply by again 4 to the power of 2 is equals to 96. So in this case now, the log to the base of 4 shall cancel this 4, so now shall remain with 6, so we shall now have it as 6 multiplied by, so 4 to the power of 2, that is 4 times 4, that is 16, is equals to 96. So what is 6 multiplied by 16? It is 96 is equals to 96. So it means that the answer that we got while working out this maths problem was very correct when we say that the value for x is equals to 3, then plus the 3 plus the log of 6 to the base of 4. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem and reaching again at our final answer after proving it, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and don't forget also to like this channel.